Now the next question is, let P be a point of intersection of common tangents to parabola y square equals 12x and hyperbola 8x square minus y square equals 8 if S and S dash denote the foci of hyperbola where S lies on positive x-axis and P divides S dash in the ratio. Now first what we'll do is, we'll find point of intersection of common tangents, and before that we need to find these common tangents. So equation of tangent to this parabola, it will be y equals mx plus a by m. A in this case is 3, so it will be y equals mx plus 3 by m. And for this hyperbola, which is x square upon 1 minus y square upon 8 equals 1, equation of tangent will be y equals mx plus minus under root of a square m square minus b square. Now both the lines, they represent the same tangent. So from here we'll get this condition that 3 by m is equal to under root of m square minus 8. So we'll square it, we'll get m to the power 4 minus 8m square minus 9 equals 0. So the condition will be m square minus 9 into m square plus 1 equals 0. That is, the value of m is plus or minus 3. Now we'll put the value of m as 3. We'll get this equation as y equals 3x plus 1. And if we'll put m as minus 3, we'll get this equation as minus 3x minus 1. Now we'll need to find their point of intersection. Now we'll add them. We'll get y equals to 0. And if we'll put y equals 0, we'll get x as minus 1 by 3. So this point P, it will be minus 1 by 3 comma 0. Now we need to find S and S dash, which are foci of this hyperbola. Now for this hyperbola, first we'll find eccentricity. So we know that B square is A square into E square minus 1. Value of E here is 3 and A is simply 1. So foci are at plus minus AE comma 0. So it will be plus minus 3 comma 0. So one of the focus is at 3 comma 0 and the other one is minus 3 comma 0. S lies on positive x-axis and S dash will be on negative x-axis. Now we'll need to find this ratio, SP upon S dash P. Now SP will be 3 minus 1 by 3 and there will be 3 minus minus plus 1 by 3 and there will be 10 by 3 and here it will be minus 1 by 3 plus 3 and it will be 8 by 3. So this ratio SP upon S dash P, it will be 10 by 8, which is 5 by 4, and that's your option number C. Now here the question is, find the equations of common tangents of the two given hyperbola. The first hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. And we know that for hyperbola of the first form, equation of tangent is y equals mx plus minus under root of a square m square minus b square. Now second hyperbola is hyperbola of the second form, which is y square upon a square minus x square upon b square equals to 1. And we have already studied that for this hyperbola, equation of tangent is y equals to mx under root of a square minus b square m square. Now these two equations, they represent the same tangent. So it simply means that this constant term, it must be same. From here we'll get this condition, which is a square m square minus b square must be equal to a square minus b square m square. Now we'll take everything on the left hand side. We'll get a square into m square minus 1 plus b square into m square minus 1 equals to 0. So the condition that we'll get is a square plus b square into m square minus 1 equals 0. That is, the value of m should be plus 1 or minus 1. Now we'll put m as plus minus 1. We can write equation of tangent as y equals plus minus x plus minus under root of a square minus b square. And that's your option number 1. Now we'll discuss some questions on common tangents as they're very important in conic sections. Now the first question is, a straight line touches the rectangular hyperbola 9x square plus 9y square equals 8 and the parabola y square equals 32x. We'll need to find the equation of this line. Now we know that for a hyperbola, equation of tangent is y equals mx plus minus under root of a square m square minus b square. Now in this case, a and b, they're both same and it is 8 by 9. So it'll be 8 by 9 m square minus 1. And in case of a parabola, equation of tangent is given by y equals mx plus a by m. And a in this case is simply 8. So it'll be 8 by m. Now these two equations, they represent the same line. So from here we can write 8 by 9 m square minus 1. It must be equal to 8 square upon m square. Now here 8 and 8 will cancel. So we'll get this result as m to the power 4 minus m square minus 72 equals 0. And there'll be m square minus 9 m square plus 8 equals 0. So value of m must be plus or minus 3. Now we'll take plus sign. Then this equation will be y equals 3x plus 8 by 3, which is 9x minus 3y plus 8 equals to 0. And that's your option number B. And if we'll take m as minus 3, then we'll get this equation as y equals minus 3x minus 8 upon 3. In that case, equation will be 9x plus 3y plus 8 equals to 0. And that's your option number C. So answer to this question is options B and C.